Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix it when it says you must reset your password before continuing on Roblox. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up the Roblox app just like that, and if you get that error message, don't worry. What you need to do now on the login page where it says enter username, email or phone number, don't do that. What you want to do instead is go back and tap on your profile, and then what you do is you click on forgot your password. Okay, tap on forgot your password, and then you put in your email address that's associated with your account, and then tap on next. Okay, now it says they've sent a 6-digit verification code to the email address you provided, so make sure that you have access to your emails, and then you want to go into the email address. Okay, so for me, you can see I'm in my email address and I'm not getting the 6-digit verification code. So what you can do instead is you can go onto Roblox. Okay, tap onto Roblox, and I didn't get the code, so I'm going to click there where it says use phone instead, and now I'm going to enter in my phone number. So I'm going to like that and then tap on next. So now it says we just sent a 6-digit verification code to the phone number you provided, and there it is, 472768. 472768. You just punch it in there, and now I do have 2-step verification enabled on my account, so I'll need to go into the authenticator app. That might be an extra step that you need to complete. Okay, so I need to find Roblox 982572, and now I'm able to set a new password. So what you do is you put in your password, and once you've entered in your password twice, you just simply click on update password, and it says create a pass key, so I'm going to say no, keep using password, and just like that it will log you back into your account and you'll have access to your Roblox account. So if this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.